What's that? What the hell? Circus, baby? Oh! Oh. What the? That smells like vanilla ice cream. Please don't tell us the other brown stuff. Wait, no. No, that's chocolate. Guessing it's strawberry then. Circus, baby? What the hell actually happened? I was... I ate too much ice cream. I need help. Hey, puppet. Oh my god. You do not sound good. Also, you're looking a bit, what? What? You're not looking big. You're just looking a bit bigger than usual. Are you calling me fat? No, I'm not calling you fat. Is she can be? What did you say? Whatever. I need to get out of this place. What do you mean, get out of this place? I can't live here anymore. I need to go. I sense something that's coming. That is dangerous. Your voice sounds a bit broken. What do you mean? That's not broken. It's perfectly fine. Why do you sound like me? What are you talking about? Your voice is definitely broken. I think you ate too much ice cream. I guess I did. Is there something coming? It's danger to everyone. I'm getting out of here. I can't stand him. Baby, where are you going? I'm getting out of this place. She does realise you can't leave. Anyway. I'm going to check her out in a bit when she realises she can't leave. Hey, old puppet! How's your day been? Good. I mean, it's my first, day here, knowing what's going on, so that's it. Is there any tea? Have you ordered any tea yet? No, but again, we can't leave this place. Well, then how did you get so much ice cream in here? Why is there ice cream everywhere? And why is the ice cream machine broken? No, it just feels like we're at McDonald's. That is kind of true. Yeah, they saw that Circus baby while there's so much ice cream. Okay. I'm out to go and get me a scone and a cup of tea. I'll be back. Okay. Oh, not in there. Oops. Sorry. There's me. Got that on camera. Well, actually, I don't think I have a camera anymore. After Bonnie took it. Oh, was that Foxy? I can't tell anymore. Well, all that. What was that in your hand? Nothing. You didn't see anything. Why do I look like a voice box? Show me what you've got. I'll do it later. Now you just shut up. That's a bit rude. No, it's not. I'm just telling you to shut up. And stop whining so much. That is really rude. Oh yeah, Circus Baby said she feels like danger's coming, so she needs to leave. What do you mean? Did she say anything about the danger or what it could be? No, she just said it's a danger to everyone, but I mean, if I be Lefty, he was a big danger. Can't be a bigger threat than Lefty, can it? you'll never know until you see it. I'm going to get some scones and tea. But we don't have any tea. Alf, I have my ways. Tell me if you see Circus Baby trying to escape. I will! Oops, I accidentally broke a hole in the roof. Wall, I meant, sorry. How do you accidentally break a... whatever. Circus Baby, there you are. Hello. I need to ask you something. I'll see, you really need it. Wait, SpongeBob had a voice. Did he do something to your voice? What do you mean? Who is SpongeBob? Why do you sound like someone I know? Oh, I don't know. Where's chicken? What kind of television? Well, I like ice cream. I really do like ice cream. Anyway, I'm just gonna go now. You can't leave, you cow. Hey, well, I have my ways. I'm just gonna go in the box over there. And if anything, so please, before you go, what danger exactly is coming? Oh, it's Spaghetti Monk. I'll just say I don't want to say his name. He might alert him. He might be listening. I'll just call him Spaghetti Monster. Yeah, Spaghetti Monster. And he's bigger fat than Lefty. Anyway, gotta go. He's coming. I sense it. You do realize it's just a box. You can't get out with that. Yes, I can. You really can't. Watch me. Okay, how do I activate this machine? What do you mean machine? It's literally a box. Bibbidi bop biddy boo. Oh, why does make weird sounds then? Hello? Hello? Gotta be like a hole. No hole. Is this a door or is it hollow? No. She really did just leave. What's this spaghetti monster she's talking about? Bigger, fatter than Lefty. I want to get rid of this. Clean it up. No. Clean it up later. I want to clean it up, man. This box, I don't want to get. Yeah, that was nice. SpongeBob? Yeah, puppets. Yeah, puppets. There was the why do you find tea? Well, like I said, I have my ways. Baby gives you any information about this creature? She said it's stronger than Lefty, and she described it as the spaghetti man. The what? This is what my voice in my head has been warning about this. What voice in your head? The voice in my head. Actually, right by running, I'm pretty sure I'll be totally fine. I'll die. Right. I mean, yeah, I don't think we can actually die because, well, if we could, then, you wouldn't be alive. What are you talking about? What you talking about? Nothing, just, carry on. But this voice in my head has been warning about this wired clown-like creature like Circus Baby. No, not like Circus Baby. Tall, wiry, spaghetti, mangled mess with a clown mask on. And apparently it can control animatronics. It can make voices in their head. It It can kill animatronics, even the ones that can't be killed. It can kill. Huh? I know it's crazy. But it can give voices in your head. The voice. Wait. The voice in your head. Maybe it's part of its plan. He's trying to turn us against us so he can get released. I have voices in my head too. Do you? Oh dear. Oh dear. I need to leave. Well, okay, I'm not gonna leave. I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna go back to Parsons Service. That's where I sleep until I get a room, which hopefully I will. Okay, I'm going back to my box. Yeah, I really need to get some sleep. I need to think about this. Drop, coming. Yeah, right behind ya. Oh, well, technically in front of you, since you're looking in front of you. Good night. Nice now. I'm gonna have some sleep. And hopefully that voice in my head will annoy me. Yeah, mine's been quiet for the past few days. Don't worry about me being quiet. I was just busy. And you know, I'm not the. You're not the only first set of animatronics to have voices in their heads. First it was a fox, a pink one. Angle? No, not Mangle. It was someone called Fontaine Foxy. Well, at least I'm not the same exact one as his voice. I'm different. Although I do know that voice. We are part of that voice. What? Anyway, ta-la now. Did you say ta-la? No, then, shut up. It's gone now.